We got some girl power here.
It's like a YouTube poop. Oh, that's all filmed in the ride too. That's crazy.
Allowed into my most secure immersion.
Yeah, it's great.
See, in the flesh, my newest acquisition.
I have the camera, but I mean,
Don't worry about these red lights.
And the doors open towards you.
To see in the flesh, my
I said, you see, she announced some limited 20. Oh, good. LA went on something.
Here we go. Now, where is he? Where is he? Somewhere out. And then? Find you. Will you get eaten? Ha-ha! Gotcha. Oh! What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here. Wait. Don't get out of here. I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found his tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
Be careful, don't get eaten.
with your restraints securely fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your Terran children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y con el cinturón de seguridad
Bien ajustado. Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento.
y por favor, vigilen a sus niños terranos.
Gracias.
Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious.
Your purse souvenirs.
Like that, right?